Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the show. I don't know about you, but I know a lot of people that are ready for fall. I mean, they can't wait for like September, October, November. They can't wait for the holidays. They can't wait for anything but now because it's super hot all over the country and they're ready for the cool weather. They're ready to get snuggly under a blanket and watch cool movies with the family. I get it because I'm looking forward to fall too. I'm sneaking shots of pumpkin pie spice in my coffee. So I get it. You start to crave, you starting to see pumpkin coming out, you start to crave the fall season. It's awesome. All right, so is this recipe. So you guys ready? We're gonna be doing cheeseburger cauliflower, and it's seems to be keto friendly. It's got just cauliflower. Well, I'll show you. Come on in close so you can see everything up close. Okay. So here's the star of the show right here, cauliflower. Okay, and then our cheeseburger ingredients. We're gonna be using ground beef, got some onions. These are a bunch of things that have been in my fridge that I haven't used. Like this cauliflower is starting to get a little brown on the edges right there. I'm gonna have to trim that off when I cut it. But basically, it's a bunch of stuff that I had in my fridge. I'm like, let's throw this together and make something cool. So cauliflower, ground beef, onions. Got a few things of basil. I might as well just throw that in there for flavor. Got some bacon crumbles. Might as well throw that in for flavor. And cheese, because we're doing cheeseburger cauliflower. All right? Got some minced onions and minced garlic for flavor. And we are ready. Let's get everything prepared. Okay, guys. I hope you're good at multitasking, because you're going to put this in the microwave about 6 to 7 minutes. Make sure you put a little spritz of water, a little splash of water at the bottom of the bowl, so it'll steam. You can cover this with a plate, cover it with a lid, cover it with something, and it should steam this cauliflower to fork tender. And while you're doing that, then you're going to start browning your meat and putting all the other ingredients in it. So let's get this in the microwave. We'll start this cooking. Then I'll meet you over the stove for browning the meat. All right, guys, so we got our, looks like we got our microwave going with the cauliflower. I want to caramelize the onions first. Second here. There we go. All right, next thing we got to do is move the onions over a little bit. They're doing good. And get our meat in there. Start browning our meat with the onions there. Okay, while you're browning the meat, this is probably where you want to put your minced garlic in. I don't know why I pulled out the minced onion. I put real onions in. So I'm just doing garlic. I already got onions in here. Lots of garlic. There we go. Okay, guys, so the meat's almost all brown. I want to throw a few things in. Get the bacon in there. It's already pre-cooked bacon bits, so you just need to be warmed up. Throw our basil in there. Get it all mixed in. Put your cauliflower in there. Make sure it's fork tender. There we go. So the last step is to add our cheese in. Once the cheese gets melted, you should be good to go. Okay guys, that was too easy. Look how beautiful that looks. Cauliflower, cheesy, burning hot, basil, onion. Oh, that's gonna be so good. Let that cool off for a minute and we'll give it a try. Okay, remember in the beginning of this episode, I told you how I'm excited about fall? This is a great fall food. Skillets and chilies and soups, they're all heading your way. We're gonna do a bunch of comfort food coming your way, okay? So get excited, get in the mood, sneak a peek of some pumpkin spice in your coffee, do all that fall stuff, and get your, I mean, you know, summer is just hot and bothersome, but fall, that's cool. All right, you guys ready? We're gonna give this a try. Let's give this a try here, right in the middle. Nice piece of meat there. The pepper really helped. Oh, definitely a keeper recipe. That is cheesy. Very meaty. Really good. Okay, guys. This is my lunch. So I'm going to go sit down and eat some of this. Not all of it, just some of it. And you guys get ready for some fall episodes coming your way. I'm getting all pumped and excited already. I mean, who wants Halloween? Come on. I know you guys are waiting. But anyway, I love you guys. Let me know what you think of this. This is really good. All right? Give it a try. Enjoy. And I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.